and she said, "How do you know?" I responded, "I don't know, I just do." Let me power you within. Hi, Chiara. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share a story with you on intuition. Over 20 years ago, earlier in my career, when I was young, though I'm still young, I was already in New Zealand. I met three what I would consider as friends at work. They were heart-centered people and of the same and different generations. One of them seemed to go through the mental health up and down. Neither of the two friends had noticed, only me, and I don't participate in gossips. I kept it for myself, of course. Bringing a sense of humor to workplaces has always been a thing for me. I would ensure that when I felt those down days, even if no one else noticed, as she was very good at hiding her mental health, I would feel the impulse and interact, tease her nicely, and make her laugh to cheer her up. She never opened up about her struggles, which is part of New Zealand culture, and fortunately, is slowly changing. She kept her mental health secret, or so she thought. After a few months, one day she clicked and asked me, "How do you know?" I said, "I don't know, I just do." She said, "Thank you, you're such a gem," and smiled at me. I have since learned it's one of the advanced levels of intuition called claircognizance. Imagine having me supporting your organization as a leader who knows when executives, managers, teams actually need the most support.